Welcome to the Marisol Condominium on sunny South Padre Island, Texas. The Marisol Condominium can be found on the beachfront, located at 1700 Gulf Boulevard. If you've been searching for a beachfront property, Marisol Unit 303 is the one you've been waiting for. This top-floor remodeled 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is ready for you to move in and start enjoying the beach life. Hello, and welcome to Marisol Unit 303. Come on in and have a look around. The open concept living area is a great place to entertain all your family and friends after a day at the beach. And now let's visit what's sure to be one of your favorite features of this condo, the oceanfront balcony. The dining table could be moved away from the wall to seat 4 people, and there's additional seating at the kitchen bar. The updated kitchen features plenty of cabinet and counter space. Down this hallway, we'll find 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, the second balcony, the washer and dryer, and plenty of storage space. The first bedroom features an ensuite bath, access to the second balcony, and a spacious closet. Now let's check out the west-facing balcony, which overlooks the pool. The second bedroom has access to the back balcony and has built-in bunk beds to accommodate extra guests. The second bath is just down the hall from the guest bedroom. This condo has a convenient in-unit washer-dryer. Now that we've explored the interior of the condo, let's check out Marisol's heated pool and pathway to the beach.
And that concludes our tour of the Marisol Condominium, Unit 303. If you'd like to visit in person, contact your favorite local real estate agent.